Welcome to 540 Bur Oak Avenue, a one-bedroom plus den condo located in Markham's prestigious Berczy neighborhood. Whether you're looking for a sophisticated home base or an investment property, this condo offers a combination of modern living, thoughtful design, and excellent location. Today, we'll explore what makes this property truly special, from its stylish interiors to the vibrant surrounding community and local amenities that add exceptional value to daily living. Let's begin with an overview of Markham and the Berczy neighborhood. Berczy, a charming neighborhood known for its top-rated schools and family-friendly vibe. Explore the best of Markham with parks, trails, and community spaces at your doorstep. Berczy Park offers green escapes, playgrounds, and trails for everyone to enjoy. Live moments away from the vibrant Markville Mall and local dining hotspots. Top-tier schools like Pierre Elliott Trudeau High make this area perfect for families. Discover the convenience of nearby transit for a seamless commute across the GTA. Enjoy the peace of suburban life with the perks of urban amenities nearby. Berczy is a community that blends convenience with a welcoming, close-knit atmosphere. Find everything you need close to home, from shops and cafes to parks and schools. Markham is part of the Greater Toronto Area, known for its rapid growth, cultural diversity, and excellent schools and amenities. Berczy, specifically, is a highly sought-after neighborhood that combines suburban tranquility with easy access to urban conveniences. It's a place where community spirit thrives, supported by well-maintained parks, high-ranking schools, and local services that cater to a range of lifestyles, from young professionals to families and retirees. As you approach 540 Bur Oak Avenue, you'll notice the building's impressive facade. Its modern architecture reflects the contemporary lifestyles of its residents. The building's exterior is both elegant and inviting, with thoughtfully landscaped grounds and a welcoming entrance that speaks to the quality of the condo lifestyle. Entering the lobby, you'll immediately sense the attention to detail, from the high-quality finishes to the friendly and professional concierge staff who are available around the clock, adding peace of mind and convenience for residents and guests alike. This unit, located on the 6th floor, offers a beautifully designed layout with over 577 square feet of living space. The one-bedroom plus den configuration is ideal for flexible living arrangements. The den, in particular, adds a unique versatility to the unit, allowing you to create a dedicated home office, a reading nook, or even an additional sleeping area for guests. This adaptability is a valuable feature, particularly in today's lifestyle, where remote work and multi-purpose spaces are increasingly important. As you enter the condo, you're greeted by a spacious open-concept living-cum-dining area. The ambience is light and airy, thanks to the large windows that draw in ample natural light throughout the day. Picture yourself here, enjoying a morning coffee with the sun streaming in, or relaxing in the evening with a beautiful view of the surrounding neighborhood. The open layout is perfect for entertaining guests, whether for casual get-togethers or cozy dinner parties. Moving into the kitchen, we find a stylish yet functional space. It's equipped with high-quality stainless steel appliances, including a fridge, stove, dishwasher, and microwave, making meal preparation both easy and enjoyable. The quartz countertops add a touch of elegance, while the stylish backsplash complements the modern decor. Whether you're a seasoned home chef or someone who enjoys occasional cooking, this kitchen is designed to meet your needs with ease and sophistication. The bedroom in this unit is a peaceful retreat, featuring broadloom flooring for added comfort and direct access to the balcony. Imagine ending your day here, stepping out onto your private balcony to enjoy a quiet moment as the sun sets. The bedroom is spacious enough to accommodate a large bed and additional furnishings, while the generous closet space ensures you have plenty of storage for your personal items. Let's talk about the bathroom, which is a sleek, modern space with high-quality fixtures. It's designed with both form and function in mind, providing a comfortable and stylish area to start and end your day. Every detail in this condo has been carefully chosen to enhance the living experience, creating a seamless blend of comfort and luxury. Beyond the unit itself, the amenities at 540 Bur Oak are extensive. Residents have access to a state-of-the-art gym, perfect for those looking to maintain an active lifestyle without having to leave the building. The rooftop terrace is a highlight, offering beautiful views and a dedicated space for barbecues, gatherings, or simply relaxing outdoors. The building also boasts a party room, a movie screening room, and even a golf simulator, an uncommon luxury in condo living. These amenities add significant value, making it easy to enjoy a full and vibrant lifestyle without stepping far from home. For visitors, the building offers ample guest parking, and for residents, underground parking ensures your vehicle is protected and easily accessible. The convenience of a 24-hour concierge service adds another layer of comfort, providing assistance and security whenever needed. The Berczy neighborhood surrounding 540 Bur Oak is truly an extension of the condo's appeal. The area is known for its beautiful parks and outdoor spaces, including Berczy Park, a local favorite with walking trails, playgrounds, and green spaces ideal for family outings or peaceful strolls. For families, the proximity to top-ranked schools is a significant advantage. Schools like Pierre Elliott Trudeau High School and Stonebridge Public School are just a short distance away, known for their academic excellence and strong community support. These schools add long-term value to the property, making it a great investment for families and anyone considering the future resale potential of the condo. Commuting and transportation are seamless here, with easy access to public transit options and major roads like McCowan Road. Whether you're heading into Toronto for work or exploring the Greater Toronto area on the weekends, living at 540 Bur Oak offers a convenient starting point for all your travels. Reflecting on everything this condo offers, from its modern interiors and high-end amenities to the appealing neighborhood and top-tier schools, it's clear that 540 Bur Oak Avenue represents a unique opportunity in the Markham real estate market. This condo isn't just a place to live, it's a lifestyle that combines luxury, convenience, and community. For those seeking a balance between city accessibility and suburban tranquility, this condo provides the best of both worlds. If this sounds like the lifestyle you've been looking for, reach out today to schedule a showing. Don't miss your chance to experience the best of Markham living at 540 Bur Oak Avenue.